Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and sell custom Shopify templates even if you are just getting started. We'll, we will go over tools you need, how to design, code, package, and list your theme for sale. Let's dive in. First of all, Shopify themes are built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Liquid. Their own templating language. If you already know basic web design, you are good to go. If not, start with Shopify's free down theme to learn the structure. To get started, install Shopify CLI. This tool helps you build and preview themes locally. Now, search for Shopify CLI and click on the link, then click sign up and select your account. Then next, choose one from here like build apps or Shopify themes. Then select your country, enter your business name, job title like theme 1. You can add your LinkedIn profile, Facebook profile, and phone number. Then click the check the box and click create partner organization. Also enter your phone number and click next. Once set up, run Shopify theme init to create a starter theme. Use any code editor like VS Code to begin customizing. Now work on this on the design. You can change layout, colors, fonts, header, styles, product pages, and sections. Use Liquid to pull dynamic content from Shopify and make sure your theme is mobile responsive. The more flexible your design is for store owners, the better it will sell. Then go to your Gmail account and verify your account from here. Click verify email. Once you are in, click create your first themes and scroll down and follow the process like step 1. Initialize a new theme using down. Use Shopify theme init to clone the down-git repository to your local machine. Dawn is Shopify's reference theme built for performance, flexibility, and ease of use. You can use Dawn as the starting point for building a theme. In a terminal, navigate to the working directory where you want to clone down. Enter the following command like terminal, open your VS Code, and go to terminal section and paste it here. Then click enter. Wait a minute. go to run, or from the right side corner, click more action. Here, find the terminal tab, or click the three dot icon, then click new terminal and paste it here. Then after the our theme is cloned, navigate to the folder cd, my new theme. Step 2, start a local development server and follow the process from this page. Click customize a merchant theme, and what you will learn after you have finished this tutorial, you will have accomplished the following: gained access to the merchant's store, set up your local development environment, downloaded a copy of the merchant's theme, made a change and previewed it, shared your changes with the merchant, published your changes. Once you have customized your theme, test it on different devices and browsers. Use Shopify's preview features to how it looks with dummy products, collections, and pages. Fix bugs and make sure performance is smooth. Speed matters for sales. From Shopify Partners dashboard, click Themes and submit a theme. When everything is ready, zip the theme folder. Make sure to include a license file, documentation, and installation instructions. You can also add demo content and a video guide to help customers set it up easily. You have a few great options to sell. Shopify theme stores requires approval and high standards. Theme Forest, popular for paid themes. Your own Shopify store or Gumroad, where you control pricing and branding. Don't forget to show off your demo version with a live preview link. To boost sales, build a landing page for your theme, create demo videos, write SEO friendly product descriptions, and post on Reddit, Facebook groups, and design forums. Offer discounts for your first few customers or early reviewers. Creating and selling Shopify themes is a great way to earn passive income as a designer or developer. Start simple, keep improving, and over time, your theme can become a reliable source of revenue. So just upload your zip file from your computer, then check the box and click upload file from here. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.